Why do the majority of trial lawyers, despite making millions over decades of practice, struggle to retire, or in many cases find it impossible to retire at all, due to a lack of any kind of planning during their peak earning years? Hey, it's Mark Wallstrom. I'm the president of Wallstrom & Associates, and I'm back this month ready to introduce a new series for trial lawyers. This time talking about one of the great unspoken issues in trial law practice, and that is the often horrific, disjointed, and mismanaged retirement and financial management by trial lawyers during their peak earning years. During this series, I'm not going to just talk about the problem. I'm going to show you how to fix the problem so that no matter what stage of practice you're in, early, middle years, or nearing retirement, you can have the opportunity to keep more of your money by using tools that are only available to trial lawyers and the tax code. I'm looking to reduce your stress level now, as well as reduce your tax and financing costs each year, and show you how a few very simple steps that leverage your legal fees in a way that will ensure a quality retirement for you when you decide to hang it up. After 35 years of working with trial lawyers and helping their clients plan their futures through the use of structured settlements, settlement trusts, and annuities, I discovered something, that while the clients were set up and taken care of, often the trial lawyer's financial situation was precarious. And during most of the years while they ran their practice, it was bad and sometimes got worse. So what I want you to know is there's three major issues that I'm going to address in this series, and they are as follows. Number one, trial lawyers fail to properly arrange case financing, and they get caught in an endless debt cycle, so that by the time they pay their case financing and taxes on a settlement, there's often zero money left for investment or retirement plans. I want you to know there's now an incredible number of finance firms and options that favor responsible trial lawyers in financing a case or their practice. So in part one, I'm going to go over those new options for you. In video number two, I'm going to talk about the failure to use 468B settlement trusts or settlement funds in administering your cases. By doing this, you eliminate many planning options for yourself and your clients. This is a huge mistake I see happening over and over again. Simply because lawyers are used to resolving cases in cash, they are causing themselves huge tax bills, litigation loan repayment triggers, and they can wipe out an entire legal fee without even intending or knowing what they're doing. Now the third thing, and this is a big one, is the failure to use structured legal fees to spread out a tax hit or defer your income into future years. Virtually no other profession has the ability to legally defer income into future years like trial lawyers do. Plus earning interest on that money and paying it on a schedule that funds your retirement, lowers taxes, and provides stability. Now, I know all the reasons you don't do this. I've heard every reason and excuse there is. So in part three of this series, I'm going to show you how to do this in a routine way that doesn't harm your practice now or your cash flow, but still ensures your financial freedom in the future. There's a way to do this, and I'm going to show you how. Now, as I said, this is a three-part series, so if you're seeing this video, I want you to go watch for or check out each of the segments as I publish them during the month of August. Now, I'm looking forward to showing you how Wallstrom & Associates can use 30 years of experience coupled with unique modern techniques to get you off the treadmill of debt and start enjoying the practice of law and your eventual retirement. Now, I want you to watch all three segments that I publish. It's an important series, and you're going to really thank me after seeing this, because it's going to open up some creative ideas, and it's going to let you know that there's hope and something that trial lawyers don't talk about, which is their own finances. And we know we all have to kind of keep up appearances and keep up a show, but I get to see your balance sheets, I get to see your settlements. I know a lot of you need this planning, want this planning, and we're here to offer it. I'm Mark Wallstrom. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to talking to you soon.